Alight Motion Rectangle Transition. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion and waiting for it to load completely. After that, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. Once the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Then press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footage that you want to use. After your footage has been added to the timeline, press the plus button again and add a rectangle shape into the layer. Once the rectangle appears, go to Edit Shape so you can adjust its dimensions. Adjust the Y size of the rectangle until it fits the screen properly. After the rectangle fits the screen, move it to the side of your footage so it is positioned where the transition will begin. Next, go back to Edit Shape to start animating the rectangle. Turn on the X size keyframe to enable animation. Set the first keyframe value so the rectangle covers the whole screen. This will be the starting point of the transition. Then move forward a few frames on the timeline and create the next keyframe. Set the second keyframe value until the rectangle disappears into the screen. This creates the shrinking motion that forms the transition effect. After setting the keyframes, open the graph editor and adjust the graph based on the motion style that you like. Different graph shapes can make the transition feel smoother, faster, or more dynamic depending on your preference. If you want to add more visual variation, you can duplicate the rectangle layer. After duplicating it, change the color of the second rectangle layer to any color that you like. This allows the transition to have multiple colored layers moving one after another. Once the second layer has a different color, move it a few frames forward compared to the first rectangle layer. Creating a small gap between the two layers helps make the transition more interesting by causing the second rectangle to follow slightly behind the first one.